So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the navigation pane in Microsoft Word. This tool helps you jump around your document fast. Especially, it's very helpful if you're working on a very long essay, report, or a thesis. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have a document, just a sample document that I want to use to show you how you can use the navigation pen for your work to make it quite easy. So you go to this view tab up here, then there is this section that says navigation pen. Click on it. Once you click on it, you realize that this pop-up will come up on your left section of your screen. Then here you have the headings that you will be, maybe you have already put the headers in your document. Then there's the pages, and then there's also the results. So let us say, for example, you have a very long thesis that you're working on, a PhD thesis, and you want to use the navigation pen. So for you to do that, you need to put headers in these your chapters. If let's say, for example, here I have chapter 1 and it's my introduction, so this is supposed to be header 1. So you go back to home, then you can take it as a header, and you realize every time I make them headers, like, then make sure it's Times New Romans, like this, font size 12, then change the color to black, then make sure you also bold them. So if I want to navigate anywhere, just click on this, then it will highlight itself here. So the next thing that I want to do is this, like for example, let me put this as header 2. Once I put header 2, you see it here, the navigation pane is giving me that this is header 2. Then I go ahead, this is also header 2, like that. It's adding itself there automatically. Then there is this also header 2, give it like that. Then other sections like this, make sure you put your headers there. You make sure you do this automatically so that you generate your table of content automatically in your document. I'm just showing you as an example here. So this is not the real thing, but it's just giving you directions how you will be doing that. So once you're here, if for example I want to go to this section, I just click on it like that, then directly it will take me to this section. Then I can edit anything from this section. If I want to go back to introduction, just click on introduction on this navigation pane here. Then I can come here quickly and edit anything on this document. That is how you can use the navigation pane. And very simple. Just make sure your headers are done automatically. There's a video that I've done on how to put headers in your document in Microsoft Word so that you can generate the table of content automatically rather than you just typing in manually. So please make sure you follow along, you practice with this so that maybe when you're presenting your reports, you'll not be going ahead and scrolling down like this until you go to the sections that you want to edit or change any data on that. And that is how you use the navigation pane in Word to find anything fast. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what word feature you want to learn next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.